What is going on, you guys? So congratulations to all the Stark Varg owners. Hopefully you're loving the bike so far. And this is just a quick video for the new guys that are getting their bikes or have them inbound. I wanted to do a quick video on the tubes that come stock on the bikes and what to expect in PSI pressures. So this is the tube that comes with the bike or on the bike. It's pretty wild. It's ultra lightweight, but it's like a plastic, super thin. It will work if you're doing 15 pounds. You might get 8 rides out of them before you have a pinch flat or something. I run 12, so I definitely would recommend when you get your bike, just throw in new tubes or at least have them with you at the track when you go riding. And the Pirellis are great tires. I'm so used to running the 33s and 34s. So another thing with the bike, you want to run a 110. You can do a 120. Realize with the 120 you are going to be hitting. So just be aware of that if you want to run a 120. And just great tire. So you know, I'm sure there's big fans for the Pirelli tire, but I'm just a huge Dunlop fan. I'm so used to riding those. So that's it. Wanted to bring that to your attention. I'm sure you guys have already been playing with sag. Comment below because we'll probably do the next video on just how you're setting up your suspension. This bike, I got 80 horsepower, 19 rear, and we went, I think I'm around 195 weight for the forks and the shock. So you could tell there's a code on the bottom of the forks to make sure you did get the right setup for your weight. And we'll go through that and also for sag setup. And we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Thanks as always for following, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.